Sir, ano masabi niyo sa first time yung pagsali sa ano?
Masaya.
Sa
Ganda ng community.
Ha?
Maganda ng community, sir.
Ganun.
Napaka-supportive yung amigo po.
Sali ka ulit ha. Sali ka ulit next time.
Sige, sir.
Sir, kamusta naman po yung tournament? So,
Okay naman, saya. Enjoy.
ano po, may mas shoutout po ba kayo dyan?
Wala.
Sir, anong masabi mo dito sa laro nila?
Bldg na to, maganda. Bukod doon matagal.
Matagal.
Yaya ako tumatakbo yun. Yun po. Yun po. Siya po.
Sir, kamusta naman po yung tournament niya?
Hindi. No. Nga. Lasing ako.
Sir, ano pong gamit yung deck?
Gulat ako ang gamit kong deck is heal deck, the Grand Papi synergy with combo pot.
So ano, ano yun? Heal? Walang heal, mag-lolor.
Kada heal, mag-lolor.
Sir, ikaw, anong gamit mong deck?
No comment, boss. No comment.
Tinatanong ako ng gamit mong deck. No comment. Ikaw, sir, anong gamit mong deck?
Yung silver at yung blue. Hindi ko alam tawag.
Sino pang bida doon sa deck?
Si Bell.
So ramp deck yan?
Ramp deck.
Steel Sapphire.
Ayan.
Sir, ano pong gamit yung deck?
Yung talunan. Discard.
Discard green. Anong kulay ba yan?
Ruby Emerald.
Ruby Emerald.
Masaya.
Paano naman sir, anong gamit mong deck?
Popsicle deck, Ruby Sapphire.
Oo. Sinong bida doon?
Si Popsicle.
Si Popsicle. Hello.
Hello.
How was your first win?
It was good actually. It's nice to see that like I'm the youngest and I can still beat some other players.
Yeah, actually parang panalo ka din dapat doon sa first game ba? Tama ba?
Yeah.
Oh. Galing, good job ha? Good
Yeah.
job. Kaya naman sir, kamusta ang experience with joining tournament with your daughter?
afterwards.
Yeah.
So proud.
And I beat Dad 2-3. Daddy is 2, I am 3.
What's your reward for winning?
His phone.
His phone. Okay, join po kayo ulit next time.
Thank you.
Yeah.